Today we have a patient who has come to us for repair of his old hair transplant, a botched hair surgery we can say. And the thing is that the surgeon has used triple hair graft and double hair graft in the frontal hairline, and he has created a juvenile hairline, and the patient age is 35 approx, and also he large diameter punch was used, leaving him a major scar left with the scar tissue. So better to choose clinic according to the expertise and the type of instrument used. So what we'll do is we'll remove these odd hair grafts from the hairline and we'll place it behind in the crown region and the hairline that we are about to create.